Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. Wanted to go through the new NVIDIA app with the new DLSS 4 and new NVIDIA drivers and show you how to enable DLSS 4 in some of those games that aren't currently supporting it. First thing you want to make sure you do is get the latest drivers 572.16 January 30th and get the latest NVIDIA app. Then you're going to move over here on the left to graphics and you're going to hit these three dots and hit refresh once you've installed the new app and make sure any games that it hasn't found pop in there. And let's start off with Battlefield 2042. That's a game that usually doesn't support DLSS swapping of any kind. You're going to scroll down to driver settings. And right here in DLSS override model presets, you're going to click on that. You'll make sure you use same settings for all DLSS technologies. It's checked and hit latest and hit apply. That's it. That's how quick and easy it is. You can also do those separately by clicking down here, use different settings for each DLSS technology. Super resolution, you can put that to the preset J model, and that will use the latest DLSS 4. Let's try another game here. Call of Duty is currently not supported. We already checked that one out. Delta Force, we'll scroll down to driver settings, and you can also use the latest DLSS 4 on that. Just click latest right there, hit apply. Boom. It's that simple. Other games that aren't working currently are Fortnite. We said Call of Duty. Let's look at Marvel Rivals. And Marvel Rivals does support DLSS 4. Let's click the latest on that and override that. Marvel Rivals will now use DLSS 4. It's that simple. We didn't want to make a long video about all that. There's a few other settings you can check out as well in games that don't support it, and that's override the super resolution. You can use DLAA 100%, or you could use ultra performance settings in games that aren't supporting that. So that's another great setting that they've added in the NVIDIA app. And that's about it, folks. It's that simple to switch over to DLSS 4 on some of those games that are currently supporting it. Some others don't, like Finals here. Let's see if that one is. And currently not supporting any of those override features. So you'll still have to use DLSS Swapper and Inspector to get that stuff to happen. Thanks so much for watching. I love you, people.